Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Ankur Tiwari. I'm from Gwalior and I'm a software engineer. Being a host, I want to suggest you one more exercise. Okay? That is knee rotation. So, little bend. Place your hands on your knees. Okay? Rotate for one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. Wait. Run it. Yeah, Mariam. Come on. Sayed, Sarupa. Come on, guys, come on. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to KBR Park. We are taking the circle like Gachibowli, IKEA, and then we are going ahead with Dulgam Cheru Bridge to KBR Park, and then we'll come back to the same route. So it's like we are thinking like let's try some new routes today. So I'm not sure how our lead is going to take it on. Kaushik, single line. We are entering to the Dulgam Cheru Bridge now. You can see that's quite a beautiful game. This is the hanging bridge. I'll try to show you a few more things. It's a lake here, and you can see it's a mall there. Get a very good view from that mall. Okay, I'll be riding towards KBR Park. We are in middle of the Dulgam Cheru Bridge, basically. Okay. For our next event, we are going downside actually. So stay tuned for that. Keep moving, guys. Let me guys show you the queue basically. So if you see, this is the entire queue we have. We have Mohit and he's starting. I'm at the end. Until Mastan and Tushar, the marshal for the day. We are right now at Jubilee Hills checkpost. We are going to take left, and then we are going. It's like 2 or 3 kilometers to KBR Park basically. We'll try to cover up as soon as possible. So it's like 6:48 right now. Keep moving! So we're about to reach KBR Park. I guess. Sorry? Yeah, we'll just take a circle and we'll go back. So we are at the KBR Park, if you see, on the right hand side. Just go forward, go ahead. Do not cross the road, okay? Do not cross the road until I am here. Until I'm there, okay? Wait. Go. Yeah. Go forward and stop. Okay? Stop here. Group. 3. Chalo, Mohit, start. Come on. Akshit, Ronit, Abhikram, Syed, Vishwajit, Ragvin. Come on. Suman, Yuvraj, Kaushik, Syed Zodi, DK.
Okay, a quick update, like we are starting back. We are about to reach Jagannath Temple now, so it may be a little scenic road for you guys, so that's why I just switched on the camera and just let's see what exactly I'm trying to show you guys. So as you can see, it's a complete slope. I'm not pending for a moment even. Have to apply brakes continuously. Oh, it's steep now. Okay, so without a single fella, I'm trying to reach there. Yes, 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 yes. Till this point, I'm able to. If I make it to there, I'll paddle. Yeah, done. Cool. It's done. So yeah, just you see. Yeah. So this is the thing what I want to show. Nothing. 1, 2, and this is the thing. Yeah. Oh my god. Continuously brake लगाना पड़ेगा आज. Be safe, be slow. Come on, Salahuddin, what happened? चलो तेज चलो. क्या कर रहे हो? अरे अरे चलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कुछ नहीं होगा. अरे चलो, छोड़ दो ब्रेक. थोड़े मजे लो. अरे क्रॉस कर, क्या कर रहा है? अरे कुछ नहीं होगा. कौन राइट साइड आओ. इस साइड से निकालो. कौन क्रॉस करो. भाई ऊपर चढ़ाना भी है अपने को उसके बाद. चलो कीप पेडलिंग. आप तो पैडल मारो. फास्टर. पहुंचो सबके साथ. क्या हुआ? हाँ? Wait, I'll be there. Left, extreme left, guys, extreme left. Come on, turn. Okay. So, keep moving. Come on, keep moving. Single line. Come on, fill the gap. Come on, Akshat, fill the gap. Faster. So, bhai.
Done. कौन बचा?
Single line, guys, single line.
So it's like 1.5 kilometer left to the HBC. We are on the way to the HBC Gachibowli now.
We stopped for a quick race. I hope I didn't got a chance to cover it on my GoPro right now. Come on, single line करवाओ उसको जाके.